Okay, I gotta get donuts out from in between my legs here. Come here, sweetheart. Come here, sweetheart. Yes. I know. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, you got those pretty eyes.
Did you get the eyes?
Kind of.
Cool.
Might be a little blurry. But...
Hey, I'm gonna take them all and put them all upside down so people can see. See how they react. Just a little hunting. Yes. Just a little hunting. Yeah. Justy, it's your turn. Okay, Hunden, quit. That's a good boy. Yeah, Justy's a good boy. That's it. Lick my fingers. Lick my fingers. Yeah. Okay. Next victim. Oh, sorry, buddy. Little leatherneck. Little leatherneck. Oops. I'll have to get that in a minute. Oh, that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Mark, right there in front of you. No, don't tape it.
Oh.
Don't tape that. Smear. That's okay. Gotta clean the carpet anyway.
Yeah.
I got Lejeune already. I think I did anyway. We'll do it again, just in case. Because I can't remember. Yes, I can't remember. Oopsie. Sorry, I kind of flipped you quick there, didn't I? You and the pretty blue eyes. Oh, we got half brown, half blue for right eye. Nice. Oh, maybe not.
Hi, buddy.
I think it might have been just shadow. Tripoli, come here, sweetheart. Oh, there you are. I got you. I got you. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. What a good girl. Okay. We need to get Bella. Bella, Bella. Bella, Bella. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see what you do today. Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't like this as much. Everybody else seems to be good with it, but you don't like it as much. But you're doing good today, huh? Yeah?
They'll tolerate it.
Yeah, pretty much. Hunden. What is with you and crutches?
Hi. What are you doing? Come here. Get it. Get it. Come here, get it. Come here.
Do not tape this one. There you go, wiping your butt. Okay, we're good now.
Hi. Hi, Chesty. Huh?
Lejeune was fighting with herself.
Uh-oh.
He says, okay, now I'll go pee. I kicked the floor's butt, now I'll go pee.
Grr. Hi, buddy.
You don't take that.
Hi. How you doing?
Being half their size, she does not put up with anything.
Hey, you're making it hard to capture this on film. Whoa! We'll give everybody a headache.
There you go. I'm thinking Lejeune might be vying for top of the pack here. At least today, anyway.
Yeah.
Triply.
What are you doing? Hi. Doing the uh-oh. Hi, baby. How are you? 400 ready, girl, huh?
May. May. May.
Are you helping? Are you helping? Get that shot right.
There you go, honey. Yeah, it's a good boy. It's a good boy. Oh, I got the spot. I got the spot. Hi, Lejeune. Hi, Lejeune.
And you got old Chesty over here says,
I'm done.
I'm done for right now. Come on, Chesty.
Yes, look at you guys go.
Oh.
Oh, Chesty's back in it. He just said I need a breather.
Yeah. I didn't. You're going to be at May. Oh, that was Leatherneck.
Yeah, that is Leatherneck.
Who's that?
Laying down?
Yeah.
Bella, believe it or
I
not.
was going to say it looked like Bella, but I was like, that can't be.
It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Ooh, I'm getting the spot. I saw the back leg going. Chesty's a good boy. Okay, guys, his shoe is okay. Sock is not. Triple A. Do you need more love? Do you need more love? Huh? Ooh.